This project was started because we wanted to find a way to make spectrometry more accessible and affordable. We needed to know why current tools are so expensive and how they're used across different fields. So we did our homework by researching and understanding both the technology and its market. This wasn't just academic exercise, it was about figuring out how to make these tools more accessible, to design our spectrometer. This phase will have to be all about trial and error, sketching ideas, building prototypes, testing them, finding issues, and then improving the design. Our aim here is to create something that does the job well but doesn't break the bank. So far, we have a few design ideas for a prototype, which we plan on building as soon as we receive the required parts, and as soon as we get that prototype ready, we plan on start the testing stage. As you know, testing is crucial. It's where we ensure our device is reliable and accurate for different uses. We will have to document everything we do, from the initial design sketches to the final testing results. This is important because it ensures that anyone can understand our work and replicate it if needed. One of our first big hurdles was finding the right components here in Canada. The perfect balance of quality and cost often seemed out of reach, leading us to broaden our search internationally. But that came with its own set of challenges, like navigating customs and dealing with delays. To manage these obstacles, we've had to be strategic, planning for extra time and finding multiple sources for our materials. It's been a bit of a juggling act, ensuring we can keep the project on track despite the uncertainties of international shipping, supply chains, and trying to keep it within the provided budget for the capstone project. Our design process is grounded in a mix of academic knowledge and practical realities. The goal is to create a spectrometer that's not only effective, but also versatile and easy to use in various fields. Our focus is to make our device compact and portable without sacrificing its functionality. This meant making some tough choices on which components to use, always with an eye on keeping costs down. Balancing performance with affordability has been a key challenge so far, but it's one we're tackling head-on. We want our spectrometer to be a practical tool for researchers and businesses alike, opening up new possibilities for them without a hefty price tag.